Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I want to talk to you about a little question that I see often, and it's how do you hook up your KRK Rokit monitors to your Mac computer? Now, in reality, this should kind of go for any computer that you have, as long as you have your typical inputs and outputs. But I'll kind of show you how I do it, and that way, if you're using the same gear, if you have an iMac or MacBook that's 2016 or newer, this should work for you. So to start, there's two options when you're hooking them up. You can either hook them up directly into your Mac computer, or you can hook them up using interface. Now right here, I have the Apollo Twin from Universal Audio. This is a small interface. It's kind of, mid to high end. A mid to high end desktop interface. There are plenty of different ones that range from $100 up to tens of thousands of dollars. So you can really take your pick there. Doesn't really matter which one you get, but just do your research on that. Now to hook up my monitors to that, it's pretty simple. I essentially had my Mac computer and I installed the UAD software on there. Now if you have a Scarlett or an M Audio interface or whatever, you may have to install software on your computer for them to link up. It really depends on the manufacturer. So I hooked that up to here, and then of course you have ins and outs in the back, and that's where you're going to actually hook up your KRK monitors to. So right now I have two cables coming out the back. These are stereo, left and right, for the left speaker and the right speaker. And those are currently using 1/4-inch cables. And I will turn that off so I can unplug and show you. Those are going out with TRS balanced cables, tip ring sleeve balanced 1/4-inch cables, otherwise known as instrument cables. That's what's going out the back of this device. And then I'll take you over here so you can see what's going on in the back. And here we also have a balanced input. So this can either take XLR, which is this 3-pin ordeal right here, or another instrument TRS cable can go in the back. Simple as that. Hook that in from your interface and you're good to go. It's a little hard to get in there for some reason. So pretty simple. That's really all you need if you have an interface. Now, of course, if you don't have an interface and you're just hooking it up to your Mac or your Mac desktop or laptop, you're going to have to hook it up through the, I'll kind of show you right there, through the headphone jack. And that is a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which is pretty standard. You're going to find that on pretty much any sort of Mac, laptop, or desktop computer, no matter how old. They've been around forever. And if just in case you don't know, this is a 3.5 millimeter right here. Something that you use to plug into your MP3 players. Old iPhones used to use this. So yeah, basically what you're going to need to do is get one of these that splits into a 3.5 millimeter male cable, or excuse me, input into two stereo 1/4-inch or stereo instrument cable outputs. And that way you have the ability to run these two out of one of these adapters. So it'll be the same basic thing, except the difference is you won't have the interface in between. Really, the interface only provides the ability to record in, and also just has better A to D conversion, so you're going to get a better output signal. But of course, if you want to do it on the cheap, you can absolutely just do it with one of these small adapters. Very easy to do. All right, guys, that's how to hook up your KRK Rokit monitors to your Mac. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comments. All right, take it easy.